Good morning. It is Saturday. Welcome back to the vlogs. Today you guys are gonna be spending the day with me all day today, and I thought it would be fun to do a what I spend in a day. I noticed a lot of you are probably interested in moving to Jamaica or moving back to Jamaica, so I thought it would be pretty insightful or maybe interesting for some of you to kind of see what things cost here. So I won't be doing like a lot of things, but I just thought it would be nice to document how much it costs though, you know. I'll be doing like medical stuff today. I'll be taking a passport photos, and I'm gonna be doing some work at the coffee shop today. Today's Saturday, by the way, but I really need to do some work. Like I've been like up last night and my mind has just been churning, and whenever I'm like that, I just have to sit down in front of my laptop and just, you know. So even though it's Saturday, I don't really have like set work days, honestly. So whatever day it is that I feel like getting some stuff done, I just do it. So follow me along today. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog. I am drinking a bunch of water because I actually have an ultrasound to do today. Nothing crazy, guys, don't be alarmed. So yeah. I got these to put on. Ultrasound over. Hi, morning. Yes, you don't mind if I vlog in here? The first stop with the ultrasound actually didn't take that long. I thought it was going to be longer. It took me probably roughly 10 minutes wait time before I got inside, and then once I got inside it was like another 10 minutes, and I had to be like, as soon as I got in like the robot you guys saw, I was like, okay, I need to pee, they need to hurry up. Because you have to drink like a lot of water to fill your belly. Yeah, it's tough. And then the photos, I did 4 passport pic photos, 2 are for like a visa application, and then I got 2 regular passport size. That was $650. I'm gonna be doing like probably 2 visa applications, but I don't know what the size is for the second one. So you'll just have to see. Hopefully I can just use these so I don't have to like really take any photos. But I always kind of take extra pictures just in case, like I have like document everything to do, because they last for a while. So yes, I need to use the bathroom again. I'm inside Woolworth right now because it's close to the place that I got my passport pictures taken. So just looking, but there's really nothing exciting in here. I think I'm gonna go. I didn't even see these, but these are so small. I want one of these for like my coffee, but it's small. I wish it was bigger. It's hot today. Ooh. But there's rain clouds. Will it rain? Will it not rain? It's probably not gonna rain, but it is hot, and I'm not wearing any sunscreen. Not my proudest moment. I'm gonna change my top. The reason why I wore this is because I was taking the passport photos. I needed something that had like this covered, but it's a crop top, and I want something more comfortable plus something a little warmer since I'm gonna be in the cafe for a while. So I rock this. The reason I didn't wear this to take the photos is because it's white, and also the neckline is very wide. It's like this Ralph Lauren sweater type shirt that I really like. I actually thrifted this a long time ago here in Jamaica. But yeah, y'all should know this shirt. You guys have seen this shirt so many times. I really like it. One of my favorite possessions. And the material is so comfy. So I really like it. Like when I want something comfortable but that looks like put together, I wear this. Actually wear this to this cafe too with I think white shirts once. Yeah. There's more people in here than I expected working, but I got a seat and the pass. So I got a chai tea latte because honestly every time I come here their beans are kind of burnt, so I got tea instead. And I got it with oat milk, 1 pump of cinnamon syrup and 1 pump of vanilla syrup, and that was like $7.50 plus $200 for all of that. And then I got like a beef cocktail patty which costs like $200, and then a pumpkin leaf loaf which is like $4.50. So the total is like $1,600. I'm gonna head home now. I am tired, and honestly there's a lot of foot traffic. The cafe is full right now and it's just a lot of people in here, so I'm gonna go home. I can't edit here, it's just too much. So I'm gonna go home and relax and edit, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow.